Most people picture the Bahamas as beaches, blue water, and perfect sunsets. What they don't usually see is what happens to a house after years of salt air, storms, and time. This is my house in the Bahamas. It's not directly on the beach, but it overlooks part of the Great Bahama Bank, where the water is calm, shallow, and peaceful. From the roof, I can also see the Atlantic Ocean on the other side, rougher, deeper, and far less forgiving. I live and work in Florida, and for a long time, this house didn't get the attention it needed. Not because it didn't matter, but because life pulls you in different directions. And here, on the island, Mother Nature does not play around. It doesn't wait for you. Salt air gets into everything. Paint chips and fails, wood rots, small problems turn into big ones faster than you can expect. What you're seeing here is years of exposure to sun, salt, all the elements, finally catching up. This video isn't a full renovation. It's the first step back. I started painting my house white, not as a final solution, but as a way to protect what's here and slow things down. Sometimes progress isn't about perfection, it's about preventing things from getting worse. I also temporarily fixed the leak across the street from my house and repaired damaged trim inside one of the bedrooms. These aren't glamorous repairs, but they matter. They're the kind of work that keep a place standing while you figure out the next move. This is the reality of owning property near the ocean. The same salt, wind, and water that make it beautiful are constantly working against you. Mixed in with all of that are the moments that remind you why it's worth it. The sunset, the waves, and the calm that only water can bring. Those moments are the reason this place exists in the first place. On this channel, I review beaches in Florida. This series shows the other side. what it's like to maintain a home near the ocean when you don't live here full-time. I won't be here every week. Progress will happen in stages: repairs, setbacks, beach days, and moments like this in between. But this is where it starts. If you love beaches, coastal living, or want to see the real side of island life, this series is for you. This is just the beginning.